So today, going to the title of this video, I'm going to be comparing the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and the Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. I've already done a review of these two foundations separately. I'll link that at the description bar if you're interested, or they will pop up on the video. We're going to talk about the packaging because this is not the packaging they have in the US for the Maybelline Fit Me, but this is the one we have in the UK, and they've released more shade in Superdrug, so I think they will be in both too. Maybelline Fit Me looks like this. This is the one we have in the UK. I also have the packaging of the US one because when it first came out, this is the packaging of the US Maybelline. Both the same foundation, the same formula, but just different packaging. So I'm going to be comparing it with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation, which is this one right here. This one, they need to add more shade to it, mostly in the UK because we don't have enough shade of this foundation in the UK. The Maybelline Superstay Foundation, I have to mix 2 shades to get my color. So I'm going to be comparing these two foundations today, so let's begin. I'm just doing this video in case you are thinking, oh, which of the foundation do you want to get? So I'm doing this video for you because you know I loved it. I like the two, but I love this Fit Me better because it has more shades. So the Superstay claimed to be 24 hours and full coverage. Maybelline Fit Me claimed to be for normal to oil skin. Do not say if the Maybelline Fit Me is 24 hours. So I'm going to do half and half of the face. I'm going to use the primer. First of all, let's use the primer. The mascara. I'll just apply this using the brush of the shades on the video, guys. Okay, this on the right hand side of my face, which is the left hand side of my face on camera, guys. Okay, the Fit Me foundation, I only have to use one shade, but I'm going to use my US shades today because I feel my US shades match me better. So I have to go to the shop and look for my right shade. Since they've increased the shade range, I have to go to the shop and look for my right shade for the Fit Me, the US shade of the Fit Me. Over brush right here. Let's use this to blend. The coverage of this Fit Me. It's beautiful and it gives you this glow. It doesn't have that full matte look. This side of my face flawless. This side is go back to bed. So I'm going to mix the 2 shades. So I'm using this too. Oh yeah, if you like full coverage, you will like this. Let's compare this foundation. Oh my god, this side of my face is flawless. Feels like beats. This side is like every day. There are 2 different girls on my face. The girls that like simple makeup, just want to put on the makeup and go out, while the other girls that like the full bits. So there are 2 different girls on my face right now, so you can pick and choose. Do they feel the same on the face? Yes, they both feel the same. They feel weightless on the face. It's like I don't have anything on my face right now. It feels that way. Highlights with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have the 2 concealer. I have the Superstay, the Superstay Better Skin Concealer. You can get this if you want. I'm going to mix this with the Fit Me. For the Fit Me, I'm using the shade 45 Medium Deep, which looks like this. Then using the bottom to blend out the harsh line. I'm going to set using Sasha Buttercup. Now that I'm doing the rest of my face, actually, the foundations don't look any different right now. The Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 365. I love this, guys, to contour. So contour palette. You can get this from Superdrug, the Nipah Fab contour palette called Cocoa. Which is called Sunset. So I'm going to take this. Love you, thank you. The two foundation is holding up really well. Don't really look different right now that I've applied a lot of things, but I can still see this side is more full coverage. But now that I've applied a lot of things, this side is not full coverage. I'm going to leave this looking this crazy. I'm going to just leave it here. I'm going to go do my eyes, then I'll be right back to finish up my face. I'll just finish up my face, just powder my face. My Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to use that with my F brush. I'll use this to blend out any excess powder. I'm going to be using my coconut water spray. You can get this from Savers. While I'm leaving that to dry, I'll do the lip. I'm going to use this lipstick by Pierre Rene, Me My High Shine Lip Gloss. The color is beautiful. For highlighter, I'm going to use this new highlighter by Sleek. Sleek just released a new highlighter that looks like this. Looks like the old highlighter. Looks like this. Very beautiful, beautiful color. Use this shade right here. As you can see, after finishing up my face, I don't even look any different. They look really similar, guys. They look really similar. I love the two foundation. I will recommend the two foundation. So if you are more of a dewy type of girl, you don't like full coverage, you go for the Fit Me. If you are more of a full coverage type of girl, you go for the Superstay. So it's more half and half. For everybody, we have their own type of foundation. So I'll come back during the day to tell you how the foundation is wearing out. I have to run now. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, I'm back and it is 15 minutes past 3 and I've had these foundations, the two foundations foundation on for like since around, let's say 8:30, and it's 3 p.m. I'll put the exact time on the video. I can't just start calculating right now. Okay, so if you remember, the Maybelline Superstay foundation is on the right hand side of my face, which is the left hand side of my face on camera, while the Maybelline Fit Me is on the left hand side of my face, which is the right hand side of my face on camera. Superstay foundation claimed to be 24 hours. Like the oil is building up on my forehead, guys. Yeah, I think on this side of my face for the Fit Me, it's not as bad as this side of my face for this 24 hours. It's shocking, right? Let me come closer to you. At my nose area, you can see the oil building. My forehead, the oil building. Even my chin right here, the oil is building. While look at the side of my face. This place, the Fit Me side feels more matte. But let me know what you think at the comment section. Which side do you prefer? The Superstay or the Fit Me? I must say the two foundation, they are not moving. they're not moving on the face. So just the oil is building up, but it's not moving. If you want any more video like this, let me know at the comment section. Don't forget, if you're interested in this eye makeup tutorial, I know someone is going to ask me. That video will be out soon, and if it's out, it will be linked at the comment section. No, it will be linked at the description bar, not the comment section, the description bar. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.